next one was on last night and it's on today, and it's at a church.
Oh,
Church sale.
right on.
Yeah. Ooh, construction access. Oh yeah, garage sale. So I wonder if it's which doors must be over here.
Good enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Okay. I want all these weights. Can you carry them to the truck?
Nope.
Yeah.
Do you want them bad enough?
No. No.
Do your first workout with your new weights.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, those are nice.
Oh, just milk glass. Anchor hopping.
It is a rice cooker.
It's home sense, but it's nice though, hey?
Yeah, it's multiple pieces of wood.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Do you think Logan putting rice in a rice cooker?
Carpet.
Huh? What? It's carpet?
Yeah, feel it.
Oh yeah. I can tell by sliding my. Weird.
Isn't it weird?
That's rad.
Very strange. I've never seen hardwood carpets.
No, I have seen hardwood tiles though.
Yeah.
Like they're porcelain that are made to look like hardwood, so you put in your bathroom and
Yeah.
stuff. But oh, there's a milk glass bowl, like our little tiny one. Hold on.
Yeah, 50 cents.
I think we could get that. I don't think it's chipped. Yeah, we have that little
nice.
tiny one like that.
Yeah.
Huh.
Good eye. Because we were gonna
I know. I was like,
just spotted that.
wait a second. Look at these. I wonder if your mother would like these. Coffee mugs. Look at how they're on here.
Yeah,
Isn't that cool?
it's pretty neat.
But they look kind of small.
Oh yeah, you can fit enough coffee in there.
They're cool though, how they go on there.
It's neat though, isn't it?
Hi there.
Hi there. Thank you.
Thank you. Don't want to squish you there. Did you forget where we parked already? Oh.
Yeah.
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 Nice bowl. We have a small one like this.
Yeah. It's a good little find.
Yeah. Not that we really need any more
Windy.
milk glass, but I like them.
Yeah.
And they go with everything.
Yeah, I like them too.
Yeah.
They're vintage.
Yeah, and if we chip one, then it's like, we got more.
Yeah, no
Yeah.
big deal.
No, it's not.
Go to another garage sale.
Yeah, exactly. So this next one is an estate sale, and it's today only.
Okay.
No, it's today and tomorrow.
Okay.
Doesn't matter because we're not going tomorrow, but
For us, it's today only.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
It's not this house, it's that house, right?
Right.
Yeah.
One wants a big sign on it.
Yeah. Okay. Check it out. Let's get it on. Okay, let's go.
There's no front gate. Hi.
It's her hair.
It's like curling.
Oh, Oh yeah, curling stone.
Yeah.
With the cows?
No, the price on that.
Oh.
What's that? Singing and dancing. Purple.
Frankenstein.
Yeah, but he's purple.
He sings a couple people here, so. We're playing.
Why wouldn't he sing that? Oh my gosh, that's so funny. Oh, what are these? Copyright 1899.
Yeah, I was looking at that. I couldn't find that. There it is.
4 for $1. The box. Is that the only one like that? Oh no, yeah, the other one is.
Oh, look at this how it's pushed out.
That's deadly, eh?
Oh my goodness.
3D.
$10, not bad.
Wow. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I think just these $2.
Oh, you got a matching pair.
Yeah.
There you go. Just those two. Okay. Come on.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
I know. Let's see here. I'm gonna have to give you the. There's 25, and then 10, 25. Okay, thank you.
Thanks. Good day.
You're so rude.
You're so slow. Couple more books.
Yep.
Pretty cool. Turn of the century. This one you said 1899.
I think so. Yeah.
And then this one, did you find a?
No, I didn't find a date in it, but
Looks old.
it does.
It'll look good on our shelves.
Yeah.
Look at that, eh? John Milton. Quite a guy, that John Milton.
Work this time. Okay.
I think that's it.
Let's get home. Yeah. And put my mic on mute this time.
No, that's probably what it was.
I don't have a mute.
I think you do.
No, I don't. I only have that one.
Oh, okay.
Ha! Nice try though, blaming it on me.
Yeah, well.
Screw you, buddy.
Try.
Yeah. What's that?
Something fell off of something.
Oh, we'll find it later.
Thanks guys for coming with us on yet another great picking adventure. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up down below. It's a great way to support our channel and it helps push this video out to people who may not know about us yet. And as you know, we're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers this year, so if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and tell your friends about us too. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again, we love you guys, and on to the next.